Alright, so today ay papakita ko sa iyo yung improvement sa strategy na ginagamit ko everyday. And napansin ko na with this improvement ay malaki talaga yung naging pagbabago ng performance ko sa trading everyday. And to highlight, yung before tayo dumako doon ay ilalahad ko muna yung main strategy na ginagamit ko. So walang binago dito na strategy. Yung ginagawa ko lang dito ay ini-improve natin para mas maging effective yung analysis natin. So again, walang binago. In-improve lang natin by adding some more actions sa ating strategy. Okay, so alam naman natin na sa higher time frame tayo nagsisimula, diba? So advisably, my advice is that every weekend ay higher time frame yung gagamitin natin. From weekly, daily, and 4 hours para ma-determine natin yung higher time frame bias. So higher time frame bias, madi-decide mo na yan after sa 4 hours. Nakikita mo base trend. And dinagdag natin dito ay yung importance ng market structure. So market structure ay delete muna natin lahat. Actually, ipinakita ko to sa previous video ko. But ulitin natin para mas klaro. So sa 4 hours, kailangan makita mo yung last 3 months. So last 3 months, ito 1, 2, 3. And it's indicated by the purple high and lows, right? So check ko muna po yung recording, okay? Yan. So sa 3 months na yan ay continuously ay mark up mo yung mga high and lows niya by I use a so-called weekly box. Monthly box monthly, meron din akong box weekly. So since purple yung gamit ko for monthly, then I use this. And then this is the second month, right? So as you can see, yung second month natin mayroong panibagong high and low, and it's actually expanding. So expand din natin to. So again, wala tayong binabago dito, ay dinadagdag lang natin ito, yung box. So pagka next month naman, so month of April, nakikita natin na it's actually a break of the structure sa high ng previous month. So break of the structure ay dito. So again, expand natin yan. So ito yung high and low. And so as you can see, the current price with respect to the previous month ay makikita natin na nag-break out yung price sa current month and then pull back, right? So and from here we can also determine yung market structure. So by looking at this, so as you can see dito, this is a break of the structure sa monthly. So BOS swing. So swing, bull swing. So kasi higher time frame ito, so ito yung swing market structure. So dito yung high ng market structure at dito yung break of the structure sa point na to. So kasi continuing to this, and again mayroon na namang break of the structure, swing bull. So yung dinagdag natin dito is really putting an attention sa mga swings. So kaya idinadagdag ko itong swing line using an arrow. So dito nagkaroon ng break of the structure at nag-originate yan dito papunta dito. So actually, well, you can also put here, but since it happened inside the week, so i-ano natin din, diretso papunta dito. So kung swing high siya, blue yung indicator ko. Pag swing low, that's red. Para alam ko kung upward or downward direction. At ito rin ay nag-indicate ng trend, di ba? Kasi arrow up, so uptrend. So again, nag-pullback and again, break of the structure. At ito na naman yung another swing. So yung swing, importante yan na nilalagay mo yan sa pinaka-low talaga ng origination ng swing. So you can say that bakit di natin lagay dito. Ilalagay natin siya dito kasi yan ang pinaka-origin bago nagkaroon ng break of the structure. Okay, so yan. So uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. Then ito naman na swing na yan is pullback and kailangan natin i-mark up yung mga important levels bago natin masabi na nagkakaroon ng pagbabago yung trend. So pag nagkaroon ng pagbabago ng trend, malalaman natin yan kapag nagkaroon ng change of character. So ang tanong naman ngayon, kailan magkakaroon ng change of character? So well, first indication is kung itong point na yan, which this is the origin of the price that breaks the market structure. That's first sign. Kapag ma-break yan, with the candle closing below this line, that's an indication of a change of character. And then I use this COC bear to indicate change of character to the downside. And not only that, ito rin ay kapag na-break din siya with the candle close below this, I will also consider as a double confirmation of a change of character. So I use a green line kasi this is an important level to break. So as you can see, hindi naman niya na-break. But it can break later. So kasi sa current price yan, pwede yan dumiretso pababa, di ba? But currently, as a trader, we need to be in the moment. So as you can see, hindi siya nag-break, nag-test lang siya, but hindi siya nag-close below that. So i-consider natin yan na hindi siya break of the structure. Yeah? Kasi kung break of the structure yan, then sasabihin natin na both swing bear. So BOS and the bear on the downside. Pero this is not the break of the structure to the downside, but rather it's just a important support level. And I use green for support. I use orange for resistance. So, so ngayon, dahil hindi siya nag-close dito, so we cannot discount na pwedeng bumalik yung price. Either here, here, hindi natin alam yan. So ang alam natin are important levels para masabi natin na babalik yung price papunta sa taas. So ano ba yung important levels dito? In this case, so kung downside break, so nag-break siya dito, diba? So meaning to say, kung nag-break siya dyan, merong origin ng move. And ito yun. Yun, diba? So bakit hindi dito? Kasi as you can see, nag-alangan yung price, nag-bounce and then itong leg na to is not the one that caused the break of the structure which formed the change of character. So ito yun, importante. So kung ito yung cause ng pag-break ng change that caused the change of character, nasaan yung originating level yan? So ito yung magiging resistance level na kung saan kapag yung price ay mag-break above this, we can clearly say that price might be heading back to this high or even higher kasi uptrend yung general higher time frame trend. So again, hindi pa natin masasabi yan. So kailangan in the moment tayo, hindi tayo mag-predict. But in case, we will observe how prices will react on levels. So, paano magre-react yung price dito? Kung ngayon hindi yan mag-break and it will just cause a false breakout or a candle not closing above here, then we can again look at this opportunity that price will come back to this level. So these are just forecasting, okay? So wala pa yung price yan. So these are just forecasts. So in-explain ko lang kung paano natin gagamitin yung mga important key levels. So like for example here, if in case the price will close below this green, so that's confirming that the trend is now changing. So here, kung nagkaroon na change of character here, so it's really possible that there will be a pullback muna. So ano ba yung important levels na babantayan? So ngayon, gagamitin ko yung gun box. So since ito yung origin ng break of the structure that caused the change of character, so ito yung range ng move na yan. So abangan ko yung price. So paano siya magre-react on this area? So malaki ng area ko. So orange area. Orange area. So paano magre-react yung price at this area? So in that case, nagkakaroon ng rejection. So it's really possible that price will head back to the support level. So okay, so that's the way how I trade, how I analyze the market. So by the way, to make things analyzing market structure easier, I advise that to use kung market structure analysis and trend analysis. Currently nasa candles tayo, pwede mo yung gamitan ng Heikinashi. So by default, very light green at very light red yung ginagamit dito, but I set it to the body is, the borders are dark green for the bulls, dark green for the wicks, and dark red for the borders of a bear candle, dark red for the wicks. So it will give you this kind of solid colors para klaro tingnan yung chart mo. Right, so as you can see, uptrending yung trend due to break of the structure to the upside and so on. So kapag, by the way, if there is some change of character and is confirmed to be a change of character, that kind of situation is actually an indication na patapos na yung move na to, yung whole move na to from up to down. From down to up. It's like that's the end of that move. So meaning that we are heading onto this move. So on this situation now, it's possible that after the change of character, ito yung next move. And we don't know how deep kasi, this is still a uptrend, and yung uptrend na yan ay mayroon din mga important support levels or demand zones. So here, for example, the end of this swing, I colorize it with dark green. Yeah. Here, or here, or here. So 3. So again, once the price is at that level, ay obserbahan natin paano magbe-behave yung price. So everything is possible. So you should not really put into your brain na dapat papunta na dito yung price and so on, kasi we really cannot predict what the price will do whenever it goes to an important level. So yan ang same scenario din yung nangyari last yesterday. Sa USD CAD, I made a good analysis on this. And ipapakita ko sa'yo na in a higher time frame, here to here, it was downtrend. But then, downtrend kasi break of the structure, di ba? So, downside to the downside break. See, I mean, there. So, downside. So, and then yung price was trading at this level. So, nandito, hindi pala natin maano. So, here. Nandito yung price by 3 p.m. Which give you a kind of feeling that pwedeng mag-reject yung price dito at magpatuloy yung downtrend kasi higher time frame is downtrend, right? So, and gigaya ng tinuro ko sa'yo na we should always follow the trend. But it's not always the case, especially if the price is really in a very significant turning point. So, ano nangyari dito? So, well, ginamit ko yung Heikinashi. Ay, yun, hindi natin magagamit yung Heikinashi now. So, kasi nagre-replay tayo ng chart. So, now we can use it. Heikinashi. And then I went to 15 minutes. So, remember, nandito tayo noon, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. And as you can see, kung titingnan mo lang yung side na to the left, this looks like a bear. See, after the break of the previous day high, it can reject with 1, 2, 3 push and then bear. Pero sabi ko, I will observe how the price is going to react on an important key level. So ano yung important key level? So well, it break out this previous day high and it has an important level which is this one. Ito yung origin ng move bago nag-break yung previous day high. Yun, and I market with green. So, tingnan natin sa lower time frame. So, 5 minutes. Pagkapunta ng price, nag-stop out, pam, 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 and then I'm now in the key time to enter. So, 3:30. So, nang makita ko to, nag-ano ng price, hindi siya bumabagsak, hindi siya napapatuloy. And then instead, nag-draw pa ng bull candle. So, I already took the risk. So, yan. Yeah, stop loss ko, entry. Stop loss, very low risk, but reward is too high. Pero kasi nasa challenge ako at napasa ko na siya. Hindi ko na siya inayahan na ano. But typically, kung nasa trade ako at dalawa yung position ko dito, ay out ako after 2 hours. So dito pa lang din, hayaan ko na lang yung remaining position to give me more hours. So yan palagi. So pag nasa trade ka na, hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung magiging outcome, di ba? So what you need to do is always execute the trade plan. So after 2 hours, out yung isa. Set stop loss to break even, andayaan lang. So hindi natin alam na, hindi natin kontrolado anong gagawin ng market after that. So that's the way how I trade, and that's the way how I'm becoming more and more profitable nowadays. And made me pass the challenge in just 3 days phase 2, 2 days on the phase 1. Alright, so balik tayo sa higher time frame kasi nag-jump tayo sa example ng USD CAD na kahapon. So balik tayo dito and as you can see, pag gumagamit ka ng candles, and this is only valid for market structure analysis and trend analysis, okay? Wag mo yung gagamitin sa yung Heikin-Ashi sa entering trades kasi that's not the purpose of that. Entering trades, you should always use candlestick sa mga lower time frame. So, and you will realize why am I saying that once you are doing it by yourself. So, right. So, trend analysis, very effective kasi yung Heikinashi, ini-smoothen niya yung chart at lesser noise sa chart. Okay, then but at the end of the day, still I'm going to the candlestick. So here, as you can see, alam na natin yung mga important key levels, di ba? So markup na natin. So 1 hour. And pag punta ka sa, so sabi ko dati na kapag alam na natin yung trend sa higher time frame, you need to mark it up in here to put a flag. If bearish yung ating market structure, so since meron ng COC dito, change of character, so bearish na tayo dito kay EUR/JPY sa higher time frame yan. But during the day, kung tinitrade mo yung session, you still need to decide that what will be your bias on that session. And madi-decide mo yan kapag gumamit ka ng 1 hour. 1 hour. So, okay, so 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame sa session yan, session during the session. But always remember that what is the trend on the higher time frame? Kasi I mean, so ganito yun. So example ay bullish tayo sa higher time frame. Kita natin siya ng higher time frame, di ba? Kahit bullish sa higher time frame, meron mga time talaga na nagpo-pullback yan and it appears bearish during the lower time frame. Diba? So sa 1 hour, so marahil sa 4 hours, bullish 4 hours. Pero during that day, you can see that the market is bearish during that day. So kaya during the session, dapat alam mo kung ano yung trend sa lower time frame to decide what is the bias on that session. So of course, mas maganda kapag yung makita mo na bias is that mayroon tayo ditong change of character. Kasi pag may change of character na dyan, ngayon, we are trading the reversal. So bullish yung higher time frame, magiging bullish din yung ating lower time frame. This is the highest probability trade na nag-a-abide yung low time frame at higher time frame trend. Pero may mga opportunities din na wala pang change of character but during that session, bearish yung trend. So we will go short. But take note that only during that session. Okay? Kasi baka later on sa US session, London session, nakita na bearish. Then halimbawa ito, halimbawa this is London and then this is US. So short ka dito sa London, short ka. Pwede yan. But also take note na kapag bullish yung high time frame at bearish yung London or session trade mo, so hindi siya nagmamatch, di ba? So always use one position only for that trade. Pero kapag nag-abide na siya using the US session, nag-long ka na dito, then that's the time that you can use two positions. Kasi high probability trade yan. Pero kung kung nangyayari ito dito, London, then and long trade yung gagawin mo, then two positions fine. So again, the key takeaway is that kapag hindi nag-abide yung higher time frame trend with the low time frame, you can trade it but use only one position. But pag nag-abide siya, long uptrend, sa high time frame, after and then sa low time frame, then use a higher number position, higher risk. Okay, so I hope that nakuha mo na yan. So here, Euro JPY, bearish tayo bullish tayo sa high time frame. But, so as you can see here, kahit bullish yan sa high time frame, as you can see, last week, patuloy yung bearish move. So kung naglo-long ka, dahil you believe that the high time frame is bullish, and then you always go long, then probably you will be in a big throwdown. Okay? So when do we say that we should not go long for this? So, for example, remind natin na nasa last week tayo. So, halimbawa, May 23. Okay. Kaka-breakout lang ng previous week high yung price. So, boss swing bull. So, also, yung mga breakout points, you should always mark that up kasi as you can see, these are important turning points. So, breakout structure. So, kasi nag-pullback at nag-hold yung price, nag-continue ng move. And pag extend mo yan, ito rin, exact point na kung saan nagkakaroon ng mga turning points. So, ito yung naging turning points for the price to go bearish. So, and again, kailangan inoobserbahan natin itong mga important key points. So, napakahalaga na markahan natin yung mga important key levels. So, break of the structure, tapos ano yung origin ng break of the structure. First important point is the origin move. And the second one is the origin of the swing. Ito yung origin of the swing. Ito naman yung origin ng break of the structure. So ito yung candle na mismo na nag-break. Kasi ito, this one is also a candle, right? That the origin of the move. Pero hindi yan yung nag-cause ng break of the structure. So dalawa yung important key levels ko dito. This one and this one. Okay? So, but the trend will only change when mayroong confirmation ng change of character. So, change of character, okay, na-break niya, pero dito sa pangalawa, hindi niya na-break. So, meaning to say that price can go back to this area, but later on, it might break already. Or, hindi natin alam, test niya, and then babalik na naman. So, this is the point when nagka-sideways lang yung price. Okay, so these are forecasting. Okay? So again, tingnan natin sa 1 hour. Paano natin masabi na okay, time to change trend. Kahit bullish yung high time frame, I can go bearish. Paano? So, well, same concept na ginagamit natin sa old strategy. Ito yung last swing. Diba? At sa last swing na yan, magkakaroon ng, if nagkaroon ng break of the structure to the downside, pause, swing bear, then meron tayong change of character. COC bear. Okay? 1 hour to 1 hour. So because of meron na break of the structure to the downside, mayroong key points na kailangan natin. Ito yung mismo from the origin of the move to the swing, and then consider natin yung upper 50%. So bearish OB, bearish OB. So this is an important area. Kasi yung price after swing, pwedeng mapunta dyan. Then, provide you a short opportunity for the bearish move. Pero, As you can see, hindi yan yung nangyari, di ba? Kasi hindi yan yung nirespect niya. Yung nirespect niya, yung tinatawag na inflection point. Ano yung inflection point? So, ito yung point na kung saan nag-break ang price sa previous month. So, very, very significant level yan. At kapag mag-break naman yan to the downside at bumalik yung price yan, so, importante din na titingnan natin yung behavior ng price at this level. And pag pumunta tayo dyan, balik natin sa candlestick. Sana yun? Ayan, dito. I-rewind muna natin yung price. Nakikita mo na pagpunta tayo sa sessions, nakikita mo na, okay, so Asian pala to. So, not really a good example, but as you can see, nag-respect yung price inflection point na yan. Bam! Reject and then boom. Boom. So, as you can see, it goes to show that the price is that really rejecting this area. And it's indicated also by this continuation of the break of the structure to the downside. So, of course, hindi tayo magti-trade dito. So, yung gagawin natin is that antayin natin yung London mag-open and then tingnan natin yung mga key levels. So, ito yung point na kung saan nag-break. As you can see, nire-respect yung price dito. And the key time to enter during London. So, this is a short opportunity here. This one, short. And then, mayroon pang chance. Not only that, as you can see, break of the structure naman sa session low ng Asia. Diba? Dito, break of the structure, downside. And then, if we continue yan, naging significant level din siya. Yan. Ay, short pala to. Short. So on, so on. Up. Stop out niya dito, pero 8:30 na. So, 8:30, meron pang chance, but stop out mo na muna yung mga nag-short dito bago nagpatuloy yung trend. So, magpapakita lang to kung paano natin gamitin yung mga key levels. Okay? Kasi yung mga key levels na yan ay paulit-ulit lang. Break of the structure. Mga key levels like break of the structure, and then inflection point, and then dito naman sa 1 hour. So, okay, balik tayo sa 1 hour. So, COC. So, ito, these are key levels. And, okay, tingnan natin naman yung US 30, for example. Okay? High time frame muna. High time frame. So, last 3 months. 1, 2, 3. So, simula dito, 1, 2, 3. So, ito, monthly. At nagpatuloy yung pagbagsak niya. And then, the next month is just inside the range. So, i-extend mo lang yan. At yun na naman, since week naman yan, high and low of the previous week, then gamitan mo ng box weekly. So, yan ang may gitsura ng markup natin. Okay, so sa ganitong klase ng drawing, alam natin ano yung high and low of the previous month. High and low. And alam natin yung high and low of the previous week. So, kung alam natin ang high and low of the previous week, alam natin yung mga pwedeng mga targets ng price. Sa weekly, ito yung mga pwedeng mga targets niya. Kasi yung price tend to attract to the low or to the high. Pag mag-break ito, below, so the next target will be this, the low of the month. Kung mag-break naman higher than this, the next target is the high of the previous month, right? So purple, purple. So yan. So ngayon, now beside this ay pwede mo ring i-plot out yung ano yung direction ng break of the structure. So ito, this is boss swing bull. Another one. Bull. Another one. Bull. So ito yung last swing bull sa monthly. Pero as you can see, na-break niya yung low ng swing na yan. So di ba ito swing, this is swing. Swing. Swing high. Pero na-break niya. So it means to say that we have a change of character here. COC bear. So kung mayroong COC to the downside, meaning na tapos na itong move na yan. So until we see again another COC that will reverse. So at this point, we assume now that the trend, the next is really this. Until such time that we see another COC. So i-drawing ko para linawan ka. So COC to the downside. So pag patuloy yung down, and then suddenly, bago pa man siya ma-reach itong low, gumanito. Diba? Nagkaroon ng break of the structure, COC to the upside. COC bull. So, saka natin masasabi na okay, tapos na yung move na yan. So, time to change direction. So, which is now matching to this swing high. Kasi ito, swing high, alive pa rin yan until such time that yung price ay mag-break below this. Alright? So, itong concept na yan, I suggest watch this photon trading kasi na-explain niya dito ng maayos yung sinasabi ko. So, elite market mechanical. Punta ka dito sa kanyang new way kasi meron siyang old way. Dito yung gamitin mong pattern to understand the concept better. Alright, so I hope that na gets mo yung aking idea. And kanina 4R yung label natin. So as you can see, bearish na tayo. Kaya naman, at then, so 1R, as you can see also. So 1R, ito yung previous week high, previous week low. And then as you can see here, so now mamomodify natin yung swing high. Ito yung last swing. And then ito yung COC. Ito naman yung 1R COC. Kaya as you can see, patuloy yung up downtrend niya until such time meron na namang COC to the upside. COC bull. Pamambam. But ito, i-label mo rin yung direction ng swings para klaro. So ito, swing din. And then, so ito, swing, downswing, meaning that importanting level yan. So now, hindi pa yan na-reach. Hindi pa yan na-break. So we remain bearish. So we remain bearish still. Okay, so COC dito pero wala pang confirmed change of character kasi ito yung still yung last swing. I mean, ito pa rin yung key resistance level to break. So kaya I was always short to this market and it was really profitable in the past 3 days. That's all. So I hope gets mo yung aking idea and try mong i-implement sa chart mo. That's it. So good luck and God bless.